Hello, yes, I'm Cate. I'm one of the senior travel designers with the Taylor. And I think one of the amazing things about the Taylor is that we have experienced all the products that we recommend to you. And that's what I'm doing here on Oneworld. So I'm lucky enough to be on a famille trip here and experiencing everything that Oneworld has to offer, which is amazing. And we're about to get wet, so I'm just going to go and get changed. Here we go. And now we're going on a seaplane over the Great Barrier Reef. It's one of the best ways to see it. Look at this!
Alrighty, our seaplane's here. We're gonna go fly over the Great Barrier Reef. Ooh. Cate, how was that?
That was amazing. We saw manta rays, we saw incredible reefs. It's such a cool way to see the reef, and then we touched down on the water and then took off again. It was so cool.
What's that, Cate?
There's a shark out there. It's trying to get long toms, but it's not very good at fishing.
Good morning. Today's day 2. Last night we spent the night within the islands, and then we got up early and we steamed out here to the reef. It's just a day trip. We're gonna put the scuba gear on, get the camera, and we're gonna go chase some fish.
Yeah, there were these massive fish just kind of lurking off the back there in the blue, you know, in the blue light. Well, that's it from us. We've come to the end of an amazing few days cruising the beautiful Whitsunday Islands on Oneworld. It's been incredible, such a beautiful area, absolutely stunning boat, fantastic service, and the food is out of this world. So it's been a brilliant experience, and I hope you've all enjoyed watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.